Hello everyone. Today we explore how a compound called rutin might support stronger bones, potentially offering an alternative approach to bone health. Rutin is a plant pigment, a type of flavonoid, specifically a glycoside analog of quercetin. You can find this compound in everyday foods like tea, citrus fruits, apples, onions, and buckwheat, as well as in certain supplements. Rutin is actually one of the most common phenols present in our daily diet, which makes understanding its effects quite relevant. Scientific literature previously highlighted onions as vegetables with a significant bone mass strengthening effect. Researchers knew that 1 kilogram of onions contains between 200 and 600 milligrams of quercetin, much of which is in the form of rutin. This existing knowledge prompted researchers to specifically test rutin for its impact on bone health using an animal model. You can incorporate more onions into your meals to naturally increase your quercetin and rutin intake.
Une étude française publiée dans le Journal de Bone and Mineral Research en novembre 2000 investigua cela. Researchers induisent une condition similaire à ostéoporose en mêle rat par stoppant leur testostérone production qui conséquemment alta estradiol production. Ce hormonal changement l'aide à diminuer la bonne masse et bonne strength dans les rats, mettant-il un commun modèle pour étudier l'ostéoporose en elderly humain. Un contrôle groupe de rats avait leur hormone production laissée intacte pour comparaison. Certains des rats avec induire hormonaux de changement reçurent ensuite un feed dans lequel 2500 mg de rutine par kilogramme de feed avait été ajouté. Cette spécifique dosage était choisi pour observer si une significative intake de rutine pourrait contrecarrer la bonne losse. Cet expérimental setup allova une comparaison directe entre rats expérimentant bonne losse avec et sans rutine supplémentation. Après une période de 90 jours, les researchers observèrent importants changements dans leur masse osse.
The total bone mass had decreased in the rats whose hormone production was stopped and who did not receive rutin. However, the decrease in bone mass was notably less in the group of rats that received rutin supplementation, suggesting rutin helped preserve bone. This finding indicates rutin can play a role in maintaining bone density. The study also measured calcium levels in the urine of the rats. In the control rats experiencing bone loss, the amount of calcium in their urine increased significantly. This increase is typically a result of decaying bone tissue releasing calcium into the bloodstream, which is then excreted. The rutin-supplemented rats showed a smaller increase in urinary calcium, indicating less bone breakdown. Furthermore, researchers analyzed the urine for deoxypyridinoline, a specific marker for bone decay. They found less deoxypyridinoline in the urine of the rutin-supplemented rats compared to the control animals that did not receive rutin.
Lower levels of this marker provide strong evidence that rutin helps to reduce the rate of bone tissue deterioration. This reinforces the idea that rutin supports bone integrity. The researchers suspect that one of the primary mechanisms through which rutin exerts its bone protective effects involves osteocalcin. Osteocalcin is a hormone produced by bone-building cells called osteoblasts, and it plays a crucial role in activating these osteoblasts. Therefore, an increase in osteocalcin activity can lead to more bone tissue production, and rutin appears to influence this process positively. If you translate the doses given to the rats in the study into amounts suitable for humans, you would arrive at approximately 16 milligrams of rutin per kilogram of body weight per day. A more conservative estimate for human intake based on this research would be around 10 milligrams of rutin per kilogram of body weight daily. For a person weighing 70 kilograms, this translates to about 700 milligrams of rutin per day, which is achievable as many rutin supplements are available in 500 milligram tablets. Beyond supplements, you can increase your rutin intake through diet. Eating citrus fruits regularly is a good strategy, as they are natural sources of rutin and contribute to bone strength. Similarly, tea drinkers often benefit from stronger bones, partly due to the rutin and other beneficial compounds found in tea. Incorporating these items into your daily routine offers a natural way to support your skeletal health. Rutin has also been investigated for other health benefits. Some research indicates that a daily intake of about half a gram of rutin can assist in managing body fat.
Other studies explore the combined effects of oleuropein, rutin, and curcumin in addressing symptoms of osteoarthritis. And rutin has also been shown to boost endurance capacity in certain contexts. These additional areas suggest rutin is a versatile compound. The findings from the Journal of Bone and Mineral Research study demonstrate that rutin supplementation lessened bone mass decrease and reduced markers of bone decay in an animal model of osteoporosis. The mechanism likely involves the stimulation of osteocalcin, which activates bone-building osteoblasts. This suggests that consuming rutin through diet or supplements can be a practical step towards maintaining better bone health. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.